Mm. Have this cake. This cake is so delicious. Does that look? It was everything perfect, guys. And let's open inside and see. Wow. Look at that. Inside is so perfect. Hi, sweetie. Welcome back. Let's make delicious cupcake recipe. So you're going to be needing egg and then add the. So you're needing 4 egg. So next we are adding sugar. That is half cup of sugar. So now you are going to use that. So yeah, keep whisking that until the sugar and the egg get dissolved. So yeah, at this point it's okay. So here we have flour. That is 2 cup of all-purpose flour. I will add that like this. So always remember to stream your flour. Mine is already streamed, guys. Don't forget that. Next we are needing baking powder. That is 1 teaspoon. Then next we are needing this oil, half cup. So that makes that. So yeah, you are going to be having this consistency. So guys, if you miss the batter is so strong, so you are going to be needing milk and it's not going to be that much. So you are going to be needing this half cup of milk. So adding the milk like this. So just adding the milk like this. So you are going to be adding is vanilla extract. This is just half a teaspoon, a little bit of it for flavor. So now you are going to be needing spatula to mix everything around. Mix until everything gets dissolved. So it's going to be coming fluffy like this. You can see that. Now you can see how gorgeous it look. At this point it's okay. So yeah, next. So over here we are going to be needing this choco chips. So that is chocolate, guys. So it's going to make that cupcake. You can see it here. Look more beautiful. So yeah, we are going to be needing this. And then take from it like this. So I'm just adding the chocolate on it like this. So yeah, mix it around. So at this point it's ready. Now you are going to be needing cup spoon. Just cut it like this and then yeah. So here we have our cupcake and then it like this. And then this one is okay. So for the batter, guys, it's not going to contain the 2 pan, but it's going to be 1.5. To be 1.5 like this. Like this. So now you are going to be adding the chocolate on top of it like this. So yeah, at this point, I'm done adding up the chocolate chips. So yeah, we are taking this to the oven. So let that get baked. So yeah, just add that in the oven. And so if you have a bigger oven, you can bake everything at once. But if you don't have a bigger oven, you can go for 2 times. And this is just going to take about 40 minutes. This is going to be ready. Anyway, see you guys later. Hi, sweetie. Welcome back. So at this point, the first batch have already fried. You can see that it fries so nice. I'm gonna fry it and bake. So yeah, bake so beautiful. And then here we have the last one. These are still baked beautiful. So here we have this cake. This cake is so delicious, and then the cook can come out so perfect. See how gorgeous that look. It was everything perfect, guys. So just follow this process to make this gorgeous. Everyone that eats with you will appreciate you. Look at that. So yeah, I show you guys everything. Both how I wrap this is there. So try to share and then try this. So you can save this for the kids anytime they want to eat. Just come and serve them. It was so gorgeous. So yeah, let's open inside and see. Wow. Look at that. Inside is so perfect. So nice. Share this recipe, guys. You are going to love this. Very easy and delicious. So sweetie, let's test this. Like, I'm just in love with this cake. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. This is so good, guys. Just share this and try this for yourself. Both the kids, hobby, everyone that eats with you, we appreciate you. It's just few ingredients to get this delicious done. It's going to last as long as you want to. Just keep it in fridge. For the kids, they are going to eat anytime, any day. In my next one, bye. Yeah, when you open it, it's going to look like this, and then it's everything perfect. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share. I love you. Bye.